big news that we are tracking amid all the speculations over Naidu's next move, because he's really perceived as the kingmaker here. He's got a significant amount of vote share and seats. As he's now an ally of the BJP, it appears that the TDP chief, Chandrababu Naidu, has strategically stayed away from all media appearances. He's at this point cancelled a press briefing that was scheduled, and this has happened last minute in Vijayawada. Precisely what Akshata has also mentioned. Akshata, Chandrababu Naidu not willing to speak to the media. He strategically stayed away. He's going to be coming to Delhi, we hear, tomorrow to be meeting with the BJP senior leadership in Delhi. But a presser that he was due to hold in Vijayawada has been cancelled last minute.
It's leading to endless speculation. Maybe nothing, Nabila, but it's leading to endless speculation simply because of the timing currently of all that's happening in Delhi and the natural developments where Chandrababu Naidu now is the king of Andhra, but also perhaps a kingmaker for the NDA itself. Now, unlike what happened to Nitish Kumar, Chandrababu Naidu has been responsive with the BJP from this morning. Prime Minister Modi spoke to him, congratulated him reportedly on his mega victory. There was also, in fact, Mr. Siddharth Singh of the BJP who was here, who met him, congratulated him. So Chandrababu Naidu has given that time to the BJP. However, we've also heard from our sources that Sharad Pawar is actively reaching out to political veterans like Nitish Kumar and Chandrababu Naidu. And now the cancellation of the press conference. We were all seated in the media hall, all checks were in place, media cameras were in place, when suddenly his team came in and said that, look, no, he's not going to be addressing the media. And that's what's led to a lot of tongue wagging on what exactly has sparked that particular last moment cancellation. Has something changed along the way? All right, let's show you images right now as you've got the TDP chief stepping out, the next chief minister of Andhra Pradesh. I can't really see him because of the crowd that's gathered, but I hope you're able to see it on our screens right now as we get into all the craze that's happening here. You can hear the chanting of CM here. There you have those slogans being raised. Flags, yellow flags waving high in the air as Chandrababu Naidu makes his way out. He's been very, very graciously accepting all of the love from his supporters here at the TDP office, thanking every single one of them in what has been a huge, huge show of strength by the TDP. Now, I remember even on polling day speaking to Mr. Chandrababu Naidu when he'd seen the huge crowds that had gathered at polling booths. He was extremely optimistic that it translated to this kind of a massive sweep in Andhra, and that's exactly...
I'd like to ask you, do you think that Chandrababu Naidu's arrest, and it was carried out, one knows that Jagan Mohan Reddy was the one who ensured Chandrababu Naidu was arrested on a corruption case. Do you think his arrest has really sent out a sympathy wave for him to come with a thumping majority?
You can hear, in fact, everyone chanting and cheering as Chandrababu Naidu makes his way outside. You can hear all of the cheers. People gathering here in the hundreds and in the thousands just to catch a glimpse of Chandrababu Naidu. And it's because of this craze, perhaps, that there's been such an overwhelming mandate for Chandrababu Naidu in the assembly elections as well. To every single person that I speak here, they raise two things. They raise the arrest of Chandrababu Naidu, saying that right there was the turning point against, in fact, the YSRCP, against Jagan Mohan Reddy. The other thing that they constantly raise is the capital crisis, saying now we're going to have a beautiful, developed capital in Amravati. So there are a lot of hopes riding on Chandrababu Naidu and, of course, the issue of special status to Andhra Pradesh. That's something that they are counting on, saying that now there's an alliance with the BJP. You've got them also with a mandate in the central government. So they're counting on Chandrababu Naidu really bringing that alive. Hear the praise. We're all being pushed and shoved aside as the supporters are going absolutely berserk here just to catch a glimpse of Chandrababu Naidu as he steps out there. I'm not sure if you can see him, but I can catch a faint glimpse of him right at the entrance of the building. A massive, in fact, crowd that's gathered here. All of them chanting CM Babu, CM Babu, non-stop for Chandrababu Naidu. There's a sense of, victory here among all of them, almost as if it's personal, almost as if every single one of them had a role to play in this mega victory of the TDP in Andhra Pradesh.